Hey guys, we're here at the Concours of Elegance 2020 in Hampton Court Palace, and we're in the lovely gardens right now, and we have been provided with the Fortnum and Mason hampers. So we're just going to do a little unboxing now and show you what's provided and what they got today. So one of them I believe is vegetarian and one of them is meat, right? Meat and fish. So let's get into it.
Please.
I love the colour of these, they're so cute. Oh, we're provided with water inside.
Water.
You can get hydrated.
Oh well. Stay hydrated.
Yeah. These. So this is the
Like a full menu.
the starter main.
Cutlery.
Is that the vegetarian one or?
No, this is with salmon.
So this is the meat one.
That's lovely. So the menu is starter, olives, and English mozzarella pearls. Here.
They look so nice.
It literally, really good.
The olives and mozzarella.
I think this is the vegetarian.
This
one,
is
though.
veggie, yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Oh wow, what is this? It looks amazing. Nice, right?
Actually amazing.
What is
so
that?
that I believe is the coronation chicken with baby gem
yummy.
lettuce, spring onion, and heritage radish.
Some
Nice.
cheese. Oh, we got cheese selection. Yeah.
Wow.
Nice. So they came through. Okay.
This looks amazing, guys.
Really like formula.
Yes.
Amazing.
So this is a vegetarian. So
Oh my
what's
god,
this
guys!
one?
Have you seen the dessert?
Is that dessert?
They have panna cotta.
Oh wow!
Like,
I love panna
oh,
cotta.
panna cotta is my favorite. How to make a girl happy. Panna cotta.
What's
Yes,
this
it's
one? Which is that?
This is quinoa, red pepper, and lentil roulade.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yes.
There's actually like quite a bit of food in here. Like if this is for like 2 people, you're gonna get your
you're gonna be full.
get your money's
definitely.
worth, definitely.
That's so cool. Yes.
Little potato salad. There's a side.
Oh, there's 2 panna cotta.
There's 2 panna cottas, guys. There is 2 panna cottas. Living our best lives.
Seriously, what can you ask for more? We got more cheese here.
I can't believe there's a cheese board. Like cheese
I
is my
know.
favourite food in the
So
world.
good. With grapes as well.
Creamy.
That's
So yeah,
All right,
guys, amazing.
Well, are we ready?
Should we
Begin.
should we try some stuff?